This week we're learning to add and subtract when there's a missing number in the calculation. For example, 4 plus what equals 10? 12 subtract what equals 6? We already have the answer, so we're finding out the number that goes in the box. We will find out that adding and subtracting are opposites, and sometimes we need to add in a subtracting question to get the answer, or we need to subtract in an adding question to get the answer. Let's try an example. In this question, our answer is 10. 4 plus what equals 10? In front of us we've got 10 zebras. If we start off with the answer, 10 zebras. To work out what the missing number is, we could do 10 take away 4 equals. So in this case we're doing a subtraction sum, even though our original sum is an addition sum because they're opposites. So let's try it. We take away 4 zebras, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So our answer, 10 to take away 4 equals 6. That's also the answer to our missing number up here. 4 add 6 equals 10. We can try with a subtraction question. This time we have 12 take away what equals 6. And we've started off with our answer again. We've started off with 6 cheetahs here. So this time, as we're doing a subtraction sum, we're going to use an addition sum to help us. 6 add what equals 12? We have 6 cheetahs. How many more do we need to add up to 12? I'm just going to add on one at a time. Until I get 12. That's 6. That's 6 add 1 is 7. Add another one is 8. Add another one is 9. Add another one is 10. Add another one is 11. And add one more is 12. So we have added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cheetahs to make 12. So the answer is 6. Add 6 equals 12. And our missing answer up here, 12, take away 6 equals 6. Now we can check this one. We have our 12 cheetahs here, and 12 is the first number in our calculation. And we can take away 6 and see if we get the answer 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember, in your subtraction ones you can double check them to see if you've got the correct answer. Now that was done with quite simple calculations. You can do the same thing with 2-digit numbers. So with this one, 30 plus what equals 50, we can do 50, always starting off with the answer, subtract 35 equals. Now we've been working on subtraction over the past few weeks and in school, so you can choose the method that you use to do this. You could do an empty number line, you could do a chimney sum, you might just calculate it in your head. For just now, I have calculated it in my head. I've counted back in 5s, And I have got the answer 15. 35 add 15 equals 50. And I can double check it. I know that 35 add 5 makes 40 and 40 add 10 makes 50. So I know that this one is correct. And I can do the same for the subtraction sum. Start with our answer again. 30 add what? Equals 42. Now again, you can use your addition knowledge to work this out. In this case, I'm going to count up till I get to 42 and see how many I've counted up. So I know that 30 add 10 makes 40. So there must be a 10 in the answer. And then 40 add 2 makes 42. So then I put my answers together, equaling to 12. So my missing number is 12. Again, I can check that. By doing 42, take away 12. I've chosen to do it in the chimney sum method, but you could use empty number line or calculate this in your head. 2 take away 2 is 0, 4 take away 1 is 3, so I know that that is correct. There's some examples for you to practice this on the website, but you can come back and watch this anytime if you are not sure how to work out the calculations. You can choose if you are working with 1-digit number, 2-digit numbers, or some 3-digit numbers. Remember to email your teacher with any questions and let them know how you've got on.